Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Very good morning, dear viewers. How are you doing? प्यारे दोस्तों, क्या हाल चाल है? ठीक ठाक हैं? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन. हम भी सब खैरियत से ठीक ठाक हैं. तो dear viewers, today we are going to make very simple omelette, Pakistani Punjabi desi omelette. Whatever I had at home, I'm going to add it. I took one small onion, one green chili, one small tomato, green coriander, green chili. Then I took a couple of pieces of garlic and ginger. Here is only one egg. I'm beating already. Slowly I'm beating. And I added all the spices. Pinch of salt, little bit red chili, cumin seed, and turmeric powder. Turmeric powder also very nice for our health. So let's start, dear viewers. प्यारे दोस्तों, आइए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. प्यारे दोस्तों, आज इसको मैं बनाने जा रहा हूँ तवे पे. तो इसको हम तवे वाला ऑमलेट भी कह सकते हैं. होपफुली बहुत टेस्टी बनेगा. Dear viewers, hopefully this recipe is going to be very tasty and delicious, very nice. You can try at home, very easy. All these items, we will fry it. We are going to fry on medium heat. So dear viewers, this recipe is going to be very unique and very tasty one from Pakistan, Punjab, Faisalabad, Punjabi Tawa omelette. Scrambled egg, Tawa scrambled egg. When it's little bit done, frying is done, we are going to add one egg, which I already added all spices as I told you in the beginning. Dear viewers, this Pakistani Punjabi Desi scrambled egg we are going to serve with brown bread, I mean whole wheat bread. We will just fry a little bit after we finish this scrambled egg on this tawa. Tawa fried egg with all healthy and nice things like onion, garlic, ginger, green coriander, mint. Wow, mashallah, very beautiful smell, aroma, mashallah, mashallah. Great. डियर व्यूअर्स, प्यारे दोस्तों, इसको हमने बहुत ज़्यादा भी ओवर डन नहीं करना है, बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राउन नहीं कर लेना। अब ये पक चुका है, माशाल्लाह बन चुका है। दिस इज़ डन, दिस इज़ रेडी माय डियर व्यूअर्स। And right now I have put flame on very low. Now it's on very low heat. So we don't want to burn it. You know what I'm saying? प्यारे दोस्तों, you know what, it comes very tasty and beautiful look, nice, lovely. On the same hot plate, I'm going to fry a little bit, only 2 slices. This is almost, now we can't say this is breakfast. Now this is already brunch time almost. Dear viewers, our slice is also ready because this is already too hot. This plate, this tawa is already too hot. Slice is also done. We can put it off. Flame is off now, and we are going to settle down this plate. सो प्यारे दोस्तों, आप देख सकते हैं कि कैसा खूबसूरत प्लेट तैयार हो चुकी है। वेरी क्विक रेसिपी। आई एम सॉरी वीडियो इज़ लिटिल बिट लॉन्गर, इट विल बी ऑलमोस्ट 11 or 10 minutes. Sorry for that. So nice of you, thank you very much. So please don't forget to subscribe our channels and like, share and watch our videos. So nice of you. May Allah bless you, may God bless you. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.